Diaper Chad, luxury clutch portable travel by Castle Kids Co. is one of the best baby diaper changing kits products. The luxury all-in-one diaper changing pad makes changing your little ones easier and keeps them cleaner on your outings. The large cushioned pad fits newborn babies and toddlers comfortably. The waterproof fabric on the mat makes it easy to wipe off any messes. The pockets are located in the zip-off clutch that can be used separately and carried with its own convenient handle. There are two large, easy-access mesh pockets. One with a zipper closure that can hold creams, a baby bottle, and small items. The other has a Velcro closure for securing diapers. There is a pocket for diaper wipes to conveniently access one wipe out at a time, without pulling out the whole package. The zipper pocket on the front is great for storing clothing, and adds extra cushion for your child's head. There are two buckle straps that allow you to hook the pad onto a stroller or carry by hand or over the shoulder, making it more convenient to grab and go without having to carry an entire diaper bag. Features all-in-one changing system, large mesh pockets that close securely, zip-off clutch that can be used separately, zipper pocket on front, cushioned wipeable mat, accessibility to wipes, pad size 15 inches by 25 inches, money back guarantee. If for any reason you are unsatisfied, please send a message first and the manufacturer will issue you a full refund. Button on top of this page.